Today I made these super easy black bean veggie burgers. So what you need to do is just get 1 can of black beans, I believe it's around 12.5 ounces, and drain the beans from the liquid, but keep the liquid just in case I ended up adding a little bit back in. So blend the beans. I used 4 cloves of garlic and some herbs like cilantro, oregano, thyme, and green onions. So I did my best to blend the beans and the herbs together. And then I transferred it into a mixing bowl, and that's when I added the dry ingredients. I added 1 cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon vegetable bouillon, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon black garlic powder. And today was the day that my camera stand broke, so that's why you're getting these weird angles. I had to use my old one, and it didn't tilt for me. Anyways, my new one's coming tomorrow. So, knead the beans and the flour. Ended up adding it onto my cutting board. I added 2 teaspoons of the liquid from the can of beans because it was too dry, and then I ended up making 5 veggie patties out of it. I added some olive oil to my skillet and seared the patties for about 2 minutes per side. And that's that. The full recipe will be in the description of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the link if you want my free recipe book, 20 plant-based recipes I ate to lose 60 pounds.